Hello and welcome to another Penguin Palace video. I'm Sharon, I'm the owner of Penguin Palace, and today I will be showing you an example on how to make stencils from different sets and creating 4 mini projects with one large canvas. So let's dive right in. So I have in front of me 2 stencils. The one on the left is from the Sacred Lotus set and the other one is from the Mega Summer Blossom set. So these are both 8 inches in diameter, and I will be using the 8-inch guide ring for my blending. So I've taped down the base onto my craft mat and I'm sliding in the 7.5-inch paper guide into the base. And this window is actually the biggest one that comes in your Stencils 360. So this paper size is great if you like doing home decor, but today I will be using this large canvas to create 4 mini projects. So now I have my canvas perfectly centered in the middle of my base and I'm ready to put in the 8-inch guide ring. So now I'm taping down my guide ring at the 4 hatched spots and simply putting in this stencil. This one is from the Mega Summer Blossom set and I'm now ready to blend. As you can see, the alignment marker is at the 12 o'clock starting point. And for this design, I'll be using a 30-degree turning interval. So I'm using Blueprint Sketch on my first round of inking and using the alignment marker and jumping from one solid circle to the next. Then I'm ready to move on to my second round of inking using Shaded Lilac, and this time jumping along the outlined circles. So by using this method for blending, I get alternating colored petals and I only had to clean my stencil once. And now I'm taking the stencil from the Sacred Lotus set and applying Spiced Marmalade and blending using a 22.5-degree turning interval. In other words, making reference to all the heart symbols as I blend. So as you can see, it is super easy to create this overlaid colorful geometric pattern without any masking, and this was done in just minutes. And I'm now ready to move on and split this large canvas into my 4 projects. So before I cut my card, I'm going to apply some silver glitter gel on 2 of the petals. So I'm splitting my card in half, and then with half of this I'm gonna do 2 tags with it. I'm using a hexagon die from the Words from the Heart coordinating dies, and this tag die is from Lawn Fawn. And here I'm just splattering some gold metallic paint onto one of the tags. And finally adding a simple sentiment from the Heartfelt Notes stem set. So for my second tag, I'm using the sentiment Forever Grateful, which is from the same stem set. And here's a look at the finished product. And now I'm gonna be making 2 mini cards from the second half of my large canvas. which makes these two cards each measuring 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. And now I'm taking one of my cards and applying the iridescent glitter gel by Gina K onto one of my petals. I really love the clear shimmery look that this gel gives you, and you can really still see the ink blended color right through it. So I've chosen two different glitter gels for my two cards, and now I'll be adding card bases from our paper collection, which I'll link to in this video. And to finish off, I'll be stamping sentiments from the Words from the Heart Chapter 2 stamp set. So with the added card bases, my last two cards now each measures 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. So with just one large blended canvas, I've created two different shaped tags and two smaller cards. I understand that some of us don't often work with large pieces of paper and mostly like to stick with the standard smaller size cards. But this new tool makes it super easy to work with larger size cards. It takes very little time to create something bold and beautiful. So I really do encourage you to experiment with the larger canvases, and I promise you it's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.